How do I check the balance of my Amazon gift card?
Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to check the balance of an Amazon gift card. This is a handy skill to have, as it allows you to keep track of your remaining credit and better plan your online purchases.
Why is it important to check your gift card balance?
Before we get into the steps, let's briefly discuss why it's useful to check your gift card balance. By doing so, you can manage your spending effectively and avoid any surprises at the checkout. Whether you've received the card as a gift or purchased it for yourself, knowing the balance helps you make informed shopping decisions.
Where to start?
To check your Amazon gift card balance, you'll need to access your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Remember, keep your login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access.
How to check your Amazon gift card balance?
Now that you're logged into your account, here are the steps to check your Amazon gift card balance. 1. Navigate to Your Account. You can find this option in the drop-down menu under your name on the upper right corner of the Amazon homepage. 2. Once you're in your account, look for the Gift Cards option and click on it. 3. In the next screen, click on View Gift Card Balance and Activity. This will show your current gift card balance. It's as simple as that. Remember, your balance won't decrease until you make a purchase.
What if my balance is less than expected?
If your balance is less than what you expected, there's no need to panic. First, check your recent purchases and gift card history. You might have used the balance without realizing it. If you still can't find an explanation, it's best to contact Amazon's customer service for assistance. And that's it. You now know how to check the balance of your Amazon gift card. Always keep track of your gift card balances to make the most of your online shopping. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!